So let's start with the introduction to PixLR and basic layers operation. Don't forget to download the Word file in the description section. Let's do it!
In our web browser, go to pixlr.com and then select PixLR X. Go to Open Image and select our file example1. Quick description of our interface. On the left side, you have the toolbar with different settings once you select it. On the right upper side, you have the navigation bar to zoom in, out, or pan our design. Of course, you can use the roller in our mouse for zoom operations, and press the spacebar for pan operations directly from the canvas. The layers window I will describe in a minute. Finally, the history window will record all the steps we are doing during design, so we can go back and forth during the process. Minimize the story window pressing the minus sign to start with the layers window. Each element in the canvas has a layer with a name. Press the three dot sign to show the name. Hide or show each layer with the check mark next to the name. Choose the Arrange letter V from the keyboard option from the toolbar. Select the Tried Label layer to move, rotate with the circle, and scale, dragging one of the four corner dots. Duplicate this label pressing the three dot sign and selecting Duplicate Layer. Notice a new layer copy is created. Repeat the process one more time. To delete the layers previously created, press the three dot sign and select Delete Layer. Select the dots layer, press the three dot sign and move the transparency slider. See how the transparency changes. The lock and unlock options allow us not to move a layer. See the paddle sign in the layer once we activate the lock options. Layers hierarchy. If you choose the photo layer and move it to the top of the list, it would block the other elements' visibility. I'm gonna move the photo layer to its original place. Again, if I move the rectangular layer to the top of the list, it will block the other elements' visibility. Let's review the text operations. Select to my class layer. Now, in the toolbar, select T option. Now we can change the content of the layer, change the font, color, size, outline, etc. To create more layers, you have the plus sign. Choose between empty, image, or text. For example, I'm gonna add a new empty layer and rename it. You can use the Add Element or Add Image option to create extra layers. For example, I'm gonna add a new image from the stock option and resize it to replace the original picture. And now I'm gonna add a new element from the Shape Line option, then resize, rotate, and duplicate to create a new line. Finally, select the Save option on the bottom of the screen. Name your file and choose between formats: JPEG, PNG, or PXD. PXD is the format you will choose if you have to save all your layers to edit the design at a later time. All files are saved in the Downloads folder.